How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto sweet and sour chicken from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my subscribers, Suvankar Pudel. Thank you, Suvankar, for this video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video and I'll give you a credit right in that video. All right, so sweet and sour chicken. Let me show you how to make this right now. All right, let's start by mixing our breading. We have 1 cup of ground pork rinds, a half cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar and Munster cheese, 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch, a ½ teaspoon of real salt, 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, and mix until combined. All right, let's get our chicken breast. Next, we'll add 2 beaten eggs separately. All right, we have our chicken breast here. We're just gonna cube it. Chicken breast has been cubed. Now let's start breading it. We'll start by putting it into the egg wash. And right into the batter, right into the breadcrumbs mixture. Make sure you get an even coating. There you go. Looking good. Alright, the chicken has been coated sufficiently. Now it's time to transfer this into a pan. Alright, we're going to start off by putting about 1 tablespoon of walnut oil into the pan. Alright, let's add the chicken. Alright, let it cook for about 2 minutes on one side and we'll flip it. Alright, let's give them a flip. Alright, it's looking good. Just gonna stir fry it a little bit. And then we'll put down the next batch. Alright, let's transfer it over to the dish and we'll drop the other batch. Another tablespoon of oil. Okay, perfect. Make sure you cook everything, all the crumbs. And put all the crumbs together. That's where all the flavor is. Alright, so give it at least 2 minutes on one side before we flip it. Now we're going to do the sauce, sweet and sour sauce. So we're going to have a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of sugar-free ketchup, a 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Alright, let's stir it up. Let's stir it up until it's evenly combined. It's looking like real sweet and sour sauce, isn't it, guys? Look at that. Alright, the sauce looks like it's been combined thoroughly. Now it's time to add this to the chicken. Alright, let's add the sauce to the chicken. And look at that. Sweet and sour chicken. Now for a taste test. Alright, sweet and sour chicken. Let's try it, shall we? Man, that's really good. Tastes just like sweet and sour chicken without the carbs. Man, that's good. In case you're wondering, I paired it with some broccoli and cauliflower, riced cauliflower, to replace the rice. Trader Joe's makes these amazing cauliflower fried rices, and it has a few ingredients in it, and is very low carb too, so you can't go wrong with rice cauliflower. And it tastes identical to real rice, just without the carbs. Man, this is good. What a delicious recipe. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Have a great night. Matt Troy signing out.